scrolling right now because what I'm about to show you, you could completely change the way you grow your hair. If your hair is shedding, breaking, thinning, refuse to grow, or you have tried countless hair growth remedies without seeing results, then today's video may be exactly what you have been looking for. I simply mix fresh onion juice with two powerful ingredients that most people already have at home. Apply it consistently for just 3 days, and the difference in my hair shocked me. My hair felt stronger, smoother, healthier, and look much more fuller. And the best part is this recipe take less than 5 minutes to prepare. So grab your notebook because I am sharing everything from the ingredients, preparation, application method, and the biggest mistake that can stop this treatment from working. So let's get started. So before we make this powerful hair growth treatment, let's talk about why those 3 ingredients work so well together. First, we have our fresh onion. Onion is rich in sulfur, one of the most important minerals needed for healthy looking hair. Sulfur helps support stronger hair strands and reduce the appearance of breakage and thinning weak hair. So I'm just making use of 1 medium size of my purple onion. If you have white onion, you can also use it. After peeling off the skin of the onion, slice them. Then I transfer it to my blender to blend it. If you don't have blender, you can also use your mortar or your grater to do this process. So after blending mine, I bring a bowl and a sheet cloth to strain out the onion juice. What you need for this recipe, just the onion juice, okay? So after straining out the onion juice, this amount of onion juice I got so far. Our next ingredient is rose water. Rose water helps refresh the scalp, give the mixture a pleasant scent, and leaves the hair feeling softer and more manageable. Now, the final but not the least of the ingredients is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps moisturize the hair, improve shine, and reduce dryness. Now, when those 3 ingredients are combined together, they create a powerful leave-in treatment that most people love for healthy looking hair. So I just use 1 tablespoon of the rose water, 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil, mix them together. Our powerful and simple recipe is ready to be used. Do not apply it yet because this is where a lot of people make mistake, or do not skip this video yet. It's not over. Pay close attention to know the proper way and the step guideline to apply this so that you not make any mistake after using this recipe, so that you can achieve good results. This particular step matters a whole lot. It will determine if you achieve good results after using this simple and powerful treatment on your hair. The result I'm showing you on my hair is 2 days result. Yes, I have used this treatment for past 2 days and I saw this crazy result on my hair. I decided to share it with you guys because a lot of people have used onion juice on their hair and see 0 results. And secondly, a lot of people do not use onion juice because of the smell. But guys, with this particular recipe, you will not even notice that you are applying onion juice on your hair. Yes, you will not notice that what you are using right now is fresh onion juice, because these 2 powerful ingredients to added to onion juice have killed the offensive smell of onion juice. Yes, with this particular trick or with this particular hack, you will never ever regret using onion juice or stay away with onion juice. Guys, I have given you the secret code to use onion juice and grow your hair longer, thicker, fuller, healthier, natural without to break the bank. Yes, I'm so happy to share this powerful recipe with you guys so that all of us can grow our hair healthier, thicker, fuller, longer, and regrow your edges and stop breakage and shedding. This year is your year to grow your hair. If you are serious, follow the step and follow the trick of this recipe. Only this recipe can help you to achieve your hair goal if you can use them consistently and correct way. I kid you not, you'll be very, very amazing. So now let me give you the step guideline how you can apply this on your hair. Very, very simple, okay, to follow, okay? Now listen carefully. This treatment can use by any type of hair, whether the last hair, natural hair, dreadlock, colored hair, any type of hair texture and any type of hair type can actually use this particular treatment. That is so amazing. So now listen carefully. If your hair is in a protective hairstyle with extension, it can actually use this treatment. Yes, I want everyone to use this treatment. I don't want anyone to left out with this particular treatment, so that you can also see how effective and how powerful this treatment is. Okay, now if your hair is on protective hairstyle with extension, what you need to do is to prepare this recipe, then use whatever you can use to apply it only on your scalp. I repeat, only on your scalp. After applying it, give yourself a gentle scalp massage, then cover up your hair with your shower cap or whatsoever. Allow it to stay on your scalp for 1 hour or 45 minutes. Once it's 1 hour or 45 minutes is over, remove the shower cap, then use clean water like warm water to use it, and use your cotton wool or your towel to clean your scalp. Yes, after doing that, then apply oil on your scalp and massage your scalp. You are good to go. Yes, do this repeatedly for complete 3 days to 1 week. You see crazy growth in that your protective hairstyle. Now, if your hair is not on protective hairstyle, your hair is out. Now, make sure you work in session. Working in session is very, very important, so that you are 100% sure that this particular treatment has coated all the entire of your hair strands, so that you're not left out in any type of your hair. Okay, so also apply this the same way. Work in session. Now you can use it both on your hair strands and also on your scalp. Okay, so also cover it like 1 hour or 45 minutes, then remove it and go ahead and rinse it out. Okay, because your hair is not on extension protective hairstyle. The same thing applied to those that have a protective hairstyle without extension. Apply it the same way and go ahead and rinse it out, but make sure you massage your scalp. Scalp massage is very, very important with this particular treatment. And also make sure you apply this treatment in those your problem areas, your thinning hair, your edges, your bald spot, any part of your hair you want healthy looking fuller hair. Please apply it on that area and you see the magic happen. Okay, so after applying it, do not skip scalp massage. It's very, very important. Okay, scalp massage helps to distribute this mixture heavily and also give your hair more relaxed and also more faster results. Okay, so after applying it, like as I said, leave it up to 1 hour or 45 minutes, then go ahead and rinse it out. Rinsing out is for those that don't have protective hairstyle with extension. Okay, rinse it out, then moisturize your hair with your oil and your leave-in conditioner. Repeat this consistently for straight 3 days to 1 week. I kid you not, your hair will grow so amazing. And the sweetest part is you will never ever perceive onion juice smell on your hair after rinsing it out without any shampoo or whatsoever. Your hair will still remain so intact. Okay, and you still growing your hair beautiful, healthy, longer, fuller without to breaking the bank. Okay, these are the important steps you need to follow and you grow your hair like never before. Like as I said, very simple, very affordable, and very, very easy step to follow. Okay, so what makes this treatment so popular? Many people enjoy using this treatment because it helps hair feel softer, improve hair shine, reduce the appearance of dryness, support healthier looking strands, make hair look fuller, improve scalp freshness, reduce the appearance of breakage, support a healthy hair care routine, and because of rose water help reduce the strong smell of onion juice. This treatment become much more pleasant to use. Yes, rose water make this recipe to be much easier to use, and you will never ever bother about that strong onion smell. Okay, clock it. But wait, before you try this recipe, there are one mistake that rules the result for many people. Most people apply onion juice treatment only on their hair strands. The scalp is where you should focus most for your attention. Healthy looking hair started at the scalp. Always apply directly to your roots and massage gently. This step matters a whole lot. I repeat, this step matters a whole lot. So I don't want to hear this onion juice recipe do not work for me. If this onion juice recipe do not work for you, simply mean that you did not do it the right way. You did not follow the instruction of this video, or you did not watch this video to the end, because I believe that whosoever that watch this video to the end will definitely use it the right way and come back and share a great testimony in the channel. Okay, so guys, if you are ready to try this 3 days onion juice challenge, comment onion challenge in comment section below. Okay, I want to know who is joining the challenge with me. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and turn on your notification, because I have another powerful hair growth recipe coming very soon. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.